Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Guys, that's amazing. Lentil chili cheese nachos. So there are so many people out there who think, okay, if it's vegan, there's no way. How are you doing cheese?
Yeah.
I would love to see how you're going to work this out.
Yeah.
But we're going to do the whole recipe, and then we will focus on the cheese.
Yeah, I mean, I like doing comfort food that's pretty much normal to what you're used to eating as an omnivore, but it's just plant-based. So I've hidden vegetables in this.
Nice.
So you're not going to believe me, but these boiled carrots and potatoes are going to become our nacho cheese sauce.
The boiled carrots and potatoes. That's cheese, guys.
Not yet, but it will be.
That's magic.
It is. Okay, so you boil them. You chop them up like this. You boil them.
Okay.
Now you need a blender, so we're going in the blender.
All right.
And then the way we make it cheesy is by adding various seasonings and emulsifiers. And it's going to be like that gooey orange movie theater cheese, right?
Yes.
So let's go in. We're going garlic and onion powder.
Okay. That makes sense.
Taste. Nutritional yeast, which is cheesy tasting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeast,
Everyone
okay.
should use it, not just vegans.
Is it good for you?
It is, yeah. It's actually
Okay.
a B12 supplement.
Oh.
And B12 comes from meat, but vegans and vegetarians need B12 from other sources or a
Got it.
supplement. Tomato paste.
Yeah.
That gives it like the tang, the kind of umami-ness, as well as color to make it orange.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go salt.
I love how you come up with this. I mean, how much testing did you have to do to figure out what you were going to put in there to make that cheese?
This one was like a few tests because the secret to this, you know, nacho cheese is spicy and acidic. It's cheese is acidic or fermented. So I add pickled jalapenos and the brine. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of non-dairy milk and then some vegetable oils.
Okay, very cool.
Oh yeah, and a little bit of lemon. Another little bit of acidity. So cheese is acidic, tangy, fermented. So we're just mimicking that with plant-based ingredients, you know?
It's just hard. I would think it's hard to mimic that because there are the consistency of cheese is so specific.
Well, I will
so
say
that's amazing that you've come up with that whole
luckily with a blender
equation.
we can make a liquid cheese. Making vegan cheese that's hard takes a lot more science.
Right.
I haven't mastered that yet.
Yeah, no, you're doing pretty good.
A little bit of arrowroot flour. You could use cornstarch. That's just to thicken it, especially if you want to make this in advance and reheat it.
Right.
It'll just help it, you know, smooth out and stuff. Okay, so we're going in on the blender. It's a little loud.
That's okay. If that's going to be cheese, you're allowed to be as loud as you want.
This is the magic. Watch. Okay, here we go.
No, that's not even that bad. Look at the color. Yeah, it's happening. So when that comes out, is it going to be hot? Yeah. Guys, that's looking like movie theater cheese.
It's hot because if you make it fresh, that's hot. I just boiled those cooked potatoes and carrots. So now we don't even need to heat it up.
Okay.
Now we can build our nacho platter.
Let's do it.
So, I don't know, you'll see it when I pour it.
Yeah.
You gotta blend it, I mean, that wasn't that long, but it's that whipping that emulsifies it and gets it really creamy.
Yeah, it smells cheesy.
Okay, so our chili is hot. So this is lentil chili. It's a pretty standard chili. Chili powder, red pepper, tomatoes. And so instead of ground beef, lentil. So you are getting protein, it's, you know, filling. And again,
you could use Lauren's recipe, or you could pretty much see whatever chili recipe you use, take out the meat for the lentils, and you've got that same heartiness, because that's what people like with chili, right? Especially this time of year.
So these are like loaded. We're not gonna skimp on anything.
Guys, nachos. Such a comfort food. Yeah, very good.
All right. It's hard for me to see from behind, but
I feel like I should take us, like, do you have an extra spoon?
Get in there. I eat it like that. I'm like,
do you?
Here we go.
Okay. Is this cheese certified cheese? Let's try it. Oh my God, it tastes like cheese. It tastes like cheese. It tastes like cheese! And it's spicy!
This is my favorite part.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Guys, that's amazing. So obviously we're not saying, hey, go vegan and you'll lose so much weight. This is comfort food.
I mean, this really is
comfort food.
Pretty low in fat and calories because we just added some vegetable oil. Everything else is fiber.
So you've taken out the animal fat, which actually is really quite healthy. But like it's the tang and the spiciness in the cheese that is very impressive.
It's those jalapenos.
So this magic ingredient is incredible.
You need to use pickled ones, not fresh ones, to be honest.
Okay, good.
That's the difference.
Yeah, that's good for people to know.
Okay, we're pretty much done. Garnish it up and get in there.
Oh, that looks good.